Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to show recent apps in left side in Stage Manager on Mac. So one of the main feature of Stage Manager is that the strip of recent app that's appear along to the left side of the screen. This strips lets you quickly switch between your open applications without filling your desktop with overlapping windows. So if you have accidentally hidden these app strips or simply want to bring it back because it makes multitasking easier, macOS allows you to enable it with just a single settings. First open system settings and then go to desktop and dock. And here in desktop and stage manager section, all you just need to enable the toggle right to show recent app in stage manager and make sure stage manager is already enabled. So this option only works when stage manager is enabled. And as soon as you enable this option, the strip of recently used app will appear along to the left side of your screen whenever you're using stage manager, and you can switch between your open app simply by clicking on them from the left side strip instead of searching through multiple windows. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.